Hi guys, today we're going to do some white flower design with J Nails products. I'm using 121 Butter Popcorn Hammer-Free Gel Polish as the base color. Then I apply a thin layer of ombre pigment base coat and dry for 15 seconds. This is the new Secret Love ombre pigment palette and it is really easy to create any ombre design. Next, I'm using one-stroke painting gel and liner brushes to create the flowers. The thin tip of this brush really helps to create a fine, intricate designs with flawless effort, and it works perfectly with this painting gel. This gel is thicker and a lot more pigmented than just a normal gel polish, and I think it's the best gel to use for the design I'm doing today. Choosing the right products is the key to become a successful nail tech, and J Nails is here to help you to do that. I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you have any requests, just comment below and we will do it in the next video. Thank you for watching.